Is your Logitech Pro X microphone not picking up your voice? Don't worry, most issues can be fixed in just a few minutes. Start with the basics. Make sure the USB or 3.5 mm cable is firmly connected to your PC and that the detachable mic boom is fully inserted into the headset. You should feel or hear a solid click when it's seated correctly. Also, check the physical mute switch on the headset cable and confirm the mic isn't muted inside Logitech G Hub. Next, open Windows Settings and go to Privacy and Security, then Microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on and that your apps are allowed to use it. After that, open Sound Settings and confirm the Logitech Pro X microphone is selected as the default input device. Increase the input volume and test it using the built-in voice recorder. If it's still not working, update or reinstall Logitech G Hub and your audio drivers through Device Manager. Outdated drivers are a very common cause. You should also disable other audio software like third-party equalizers or spatial sound tools that might conflict with G Hub. Finally, test the headset on another computer to determine whether the issue is hardware or system related. If it fails there too, contact Logitech support for repair or replacement.